A customer's money is deducted during a transaction, but the payment fails. Now imagine this complaint being reported hundreds of times across different channels, but the bank doesn't connect the dots. The issue grows and the customer gets frustrated, and by the time the issue is detected, the damage is already done. And this is not a rare scenario. This is the current reality of banking systems today. Hello, everyone. We are Team Synergia from Chitkara University, and we are presenting our solution for FinSight, an AI-powered banking complaint intelligence system. Today, banks receive a massive volume of customer complaints every day from mobile apps, emails, and call centers and social media. However, this data is highly fragmented across multiple systems and is mostly handled manually. Because of this, banks struggle to detect the patterns in real time. Complaints are treated as isolated issues rather than connected signals. As a result, critical problems go unnoticed and response time increases, and customers face repeated issues. In some cases, even system failures or fraud risks escalate before being detected. So the core problem is simple that complaint data is being collected, but it is not being transformed into actionable intelligence. And because of this, banks remain reactive instead of proactive. So here we have the solution. To solve this, we propose an AI-powered complaint intelligence system. Our system processes the raw complaint data using advanced language models. It automatically categorizes the complaints and analyzes the sentiment and identifies the patterns across large data sets. We also introduce a risk detection layer that flags the potential issues and assigns severity levels from low to high. But more importantly, our system generates actionable insights and resolution suggestions. This allows banks to not only understand but also act on them immediately. In short, we convert raw complaints into structured insights, pattern alerts, and recommendations. So the main key features of our system are: first, the AI-powered categorization automatically classifies the complaints of type and emergencies. The second is sentiment detection, which helps identify frustrated customers and critical cases. The third is semantic clustering group complaints based on meaning, allowing us to detect the hidden patterns. We also include pattern detection to identify the spikes and trends across all channels. Additionally, the system provides resolution suggestions based on similar past cases. And finally, the real-time alerts notify the teams instantly when critical issues emerge. Together, these features create a complete intelligence system, not a reporting tool. From the technical perspective, we use a modern and scalable architecture. On the front end, we use React.js to build an interactive dashboard, styled with Tailwind CSS and powered by recharts for data visualization. On the back end, we use Fast API, which efficiently handles the API request and integrates the AI layer. For AI processing, we use OpenAI API and Gemini APIs to perform the categorization, sentiment analysis, and generate the resolution suggestions. We also use Pandas for data processing and PostgreSQL for structured data storage. Docker ensures the smooth deployment, and GitHub is used for the version control. Then we have the system flow. How our system flows a clean and modular flow. Data enters from multiple complaint sources such as apps, emails, calls, and social platforms. It is then cleaned and structured using data processing techniques. Next, the AI layer applies categorization, the sentiment analysis, and semantic understanding. And then the clustering and pattern detection identify the trends and connections between the complaints. The risk analysis layer assigns the severity level and generates the alerts. And finally, all the process data is stored and visualized on an interactive dashboard. Now, this solution brings the real impact to banking system. It enables early detection of issues, faster response times, and better decision making. Banks can identify system failures, detect the potential fraud risks, and improve the operational efficiency. And most importantly, it enhances the customer satisfaction by identifying and resolving the issues proactively rather than reactively. Now, to conclude, our solution transforms the fragmented complaint data into intelligent, actionable insights using AI. It empowers banks to move from reactive problem solving to proactive intelligence. By doing so, we aim to create a smarter, faster, and more reliable banking ecosystem. Thank you.